Hi folks, and welcome to the S Cars video channel. Here today, little stunner here. This is a 2015 Audi A1. This is an S-Line Black Edition with the rare 2-litre diesel engine on it. So, makes it stand out that wee bit more. Loads of extras in this car too. There's £2,100 worth of factory options. Whenever this car was new, we've got the LED daytime run lights and then the xenon headlights, fog lights down at the bottom. Being the Black Edition, you have the blacked out grille, all the chrome work's all gone on the Black Edition. Finished, as you can see there, stunning gloss black, solid black, and then on the newly refurbished 18-inch alloys, there are the rotors. New tyres all round. Wheels are as new. Hopefully the new owner can keep them that way. Privacy glass in the rear, so you can see there against the black. And again, Black Edition, all the black trims all blacked out. Stunning wee car. Parking sensors at the rear. Twin exhaust pipes down there. Eye-catching wee car. 3 doors, you can see. It is keyless opening, keyless start. We have the half leather S-Line bucket seats. Height adjustable there, and then the S-Line embossed into the leather. Lumbar support, height adjustment. Leather bound steering wheel there as well. Then the inside we have the DAB radio. This just folds down, pops up and down. We've got Bluetooth, CD player, climate control, single zone climate control, ice cold air conditioning. Down here with buttons, heater rear window, stops, traction control, TPMS reset, power socket down there, auxiliary input down there, cup holders, 6-speed manual gearbox, 2 keys. As I say, it is keyless start, airbag deactivation switch in there, manual pack in there also. You see there, 614,000 miles on this. Being the S-Line Black Edition as well, black headlining, black headcloth. Push button start there as well. Most of these are keys. So the buttons on the steering wheel there, they all control. This side here controls the center display, and then this side here controls the radio functions. Auto headlights, auto wipers, front and rear fog lights, pull in and out. Door pockets there, no problem getting a water bottle in there. Then in the back, ISOFIX there on the 2 seats. A1s are a 4-seater car, remember that. In the boot, we have a 60-40 split rear seat there. Folds down, plenty of storage in there. LED lighting throughout as well. Car inflation kit in there, and then in below there we also then have a subwoofer as well. Jack down there. Don't know why they give a jack, because there's no spare wheel. But anyway, these are tail lights for whenever you have the boot open, because the tail lights have went up with the boot. So when you're parked with the lights on, these light up. Again, height adjustable passenger seat as well. S-line sill mullins as well, nice touch. So you can see, super clean inside and out this wee car. Normally don't go with these, with a car with this miles, but this one being in the condition it's in. So there you go, 2 litre, 140 brake engine, 6-speed manual gearbox. This has been just fully serviced. Time belt was done at 72. Invoice there with the car. As I say, stunning example. Super clean inside and out. £2,100 worth of options makes it that wee bit more desirable. Alloys, just all refurb, new tyres all round. Ready to drive away. Comes with 6 months roadside assist warranty. Can be extended out to 12 or 24 if you require. Finance also available in this wee car. You can apply online directly from the website. If you wish to view the car, pick up the phone, give me a call. Make an appointment. Won't be disappointed in this wee beauty. So there you are, folks. You made it this far. Give the video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. You get notified as and when more new stuff comes into stock. Alright. Many thanks for watching.